Hello everyone, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi. I'm really glad you clicked on this video. I do hope by the end you'll want to become friends and you'll hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. And if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. Guys, I can't wait to talk to you down in the comments. I have Boxycharm Premium for May 2022. It's an unboxing today. I'm super excited. Okay, so I have removed all of the paper that came, and this is what she looks like. So if you don't know, Boxycharm Premium is $39.99 a month, and you get 6 to 7 full-size items, and you can customize 2 of those items in your box. So we have a Super Bloom for the theme. We get a card, it's got a variation on it. I'll put that on the screen for you. And then it has the prices of the products and a little bit about each product. So let's see. I am super excited today. All right. So I'm not sure how to pronounce this, but it's got tea tree oil in it. I love products that have tea tree oil in it. The AAVRANI Avrani. How come they don't tell us how to pronounce it on these cards? That would be so cool. It's a new brand to Boxycharm. The Balance Restoring Serum. This gentle alcohol-free toning serum clarifies your skin. Okay, so this is a toner and it's got calming ingredients like tea tree oil. It helps with dark spots. It has cucumber extract, and that is also calming. So, okay, cool. And the MSRP is $60. Not bad. Okay, next, some of my favorite brushes. Larousse Beauty 3-piece contour brush set. Wait a minute. Hang on. This one brush looks like an eye brush. Let's see. Serviced by limited edition pouch. I do like the pouch. I think it's kind of cute. So we have a flat angle brush, a contour blending, and an angled shading. Okay. And it says it's the perfect brush trio for contouring with your favorite formulas. A $50 value. I do like Larousse Beauty brushes for sure. Okay, let's move on. Oh, we got some more good stuff. Okay, I love me some Elemis. Elemis Superfood Midnight Facial. Okay. I'm liking the colorful packaging too. Pink is nice and bright and cheery. All right, let's go on. Prebiotic overnight sleeping cream that leaves dry, thirsty skin feeling silky soft, radiant and replenished with moisture upon waking. Infused with superfoods camu, banana flower, and cacao nib extract. Okay, vitamin and mineral rich formula nourishes the skin and minimizes visible signs of fatigue. $50 value. Feels really good too, like a nice heavy jar. Loving that. All right, let's move on. Base Blue came out with these not too long ago. These were pretty amazing. Okay, so Base Blue Cosmetics, they are a newer brand that just started coming out with makeup items. They had brushes and sponges is what they started out with. And then they had these. Came out about a year and a half ago, I think. Ready to go towelettes that whisk away face and eye makeup without irritation. So we have in here a wet cloth that takes care of makeup, and then we have a dry cloth that you wet. And you can use that as a cleanser. It has a $21 value, and they're individually wrapped. Okay, so now, let me see. We have the KVD Epic Kiss Nourishing Vegan Butter Lipstick. $22 value. Let me see. Packed with pigment for one swipe color with a comfortable shiny finish. A slim case is made from 80% post-consumer recycled materials. Okay. This is not really my color, but I do like the packaging, and I do like KVD products. So what was, yeah, $22 value. Okay, we have got, and this is, I've been wanting some Loose Beauty. All right, we have the Mexico palette, a mix of 18 matte shimmer and metallic shades infused with Mexican blue algae. Whoa, okay. This perfect for spring palette features a keepsake of removal mirror. Huh? Really? Illustration art. Okay. $30 value? Okay. Interesting. Let's take a nice close look at her. Okay. It's a... Oh! I love that so much. And it's magnetic. Ah, I love that. Okay, how awesome is that? I had no idea. And the packaging is a little better on her bigger palettes. Okay, okay, so these are super pigmented. Let's recap. I've used her brand a couple times now. Eyeliner's good, eyeshadows are good. Definitely can't wait to dig into that. So we have the Loose Beauty Becky G's palette. Then we've got the base blue wet dry cloths. Then we have the Balancing Restoring Serum, the KVD Butter Lipstick, the Larousse Brushes set, and the Elemis Superfood Midnight Facial. I do like the way that sounds too. Midnight Facial, you know? All right, so that's everything. Guys, I'll put the total value of my box on the screen. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. I will do my very best to answer them. Put them down in the comments below. I love you guys so much. I'll see you real soon in another video.